President Murmu leads the nation, takes salute at Kartavya Path's parade. 76th Republic Day celebrates in Shillong. Governor C.H. Vijaya Shankar unfurled the tricolour and took the salute. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma unfurled the national flag and took Rashtra salute in Tura. And 6th Meghalaya Games closing ceremony was held at Kiangnangbak Football Stadium in July. The news in detail. The nation is celebrating the 76th Republic Day today. President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in celebrating Republic Day from Kartavya Path in New Delhi. The ceremony commenced with the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the National War Memorial, where he paid tributes to the fallen heroes by laying a wreath. President Draupadi Murmu arrived at Kartavya Path in a ceremonial buggy with Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto, who was the chief guest at the parade. The national flag was unfurled, followed by the national anthem with a 21-gun salute. Along with the rest of the country, the 76th Republic Day was also celebrated in Shillong, where Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijaya Shankar unfurled the tricolour and took the salute at Polo Ground. In his address, the governor emphasized the peaceful law and order situation in the state over the past year. He highlighted the implementation of 3 new criminal laws: the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Abhinanyam.
State is focusing to ensure all-weather road connectivity across the state, and priority projects like Shillong Rocky, Tura and Garo, and Shillong Western Bypass ongoing, which will boost the state economy.
The 76th Republic Day celebration was celebrated in the Matchak Kolgre LP School playground, Tura, in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and other officials, dignitaries. Chief Minister Sangma unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtra salute to the tune of the national anthem. While addressing the gathering, he outlined the path to Meghalaya's glorious era of development in past years. He also talked about the inclusive growth and equitable trust being accorded to different parts of the state.
We take this opportunity to salute the unwavering dedication and sacrifices of our armed forces, paramilitary forces, and the Meghalaya police force. Their vigilant efforts ensure our safety and security. We are poised towards achieving this goal, and strategies are being developed across sectors and investments are being mobilized.
The 76th Republic Day of India was celebrated at St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Nongstoin, organized by the District Administration of West Khasi Hills. The event was attended by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, who unfurled the national tricolour and took the salute of the 14 contingents comprising police personnel and school students. At Motion Road, Gabriel Watlang, MLA Nongstoin, unfurled the tricolour and took the salute to the 2 contingents comprising the police and Christ King High Secondary School, and 1 tableau from Fire and Emergency Services was displayed at the event.
Kabo ban penpau ke jesnongu ke bakrau ya ke jing IT bat jing tracy tom jo ki sipai ki paramilitary force bat ke Meghalaya police ke jing IT jom ki kala pentingna ya ke jing sengan bat jing ada ya ni kathom jo ke sarkar jongi kolong ban ra ya ke Meghalaya sakayo ke kot ka basipau billion US dollar hapo kasnem arajar arupra da ka bekentiu arsya ya ke GDP jo ke jela Ngimatatin bangin kot sa kanika thom bat nila thau ya kiplan penroi haborok itna trekam bat habaju kapor nila penyai kam ya kejing bei tengka.
The Ri-Bhoi District Administration celebrated the 76th Republic Day today at the NSCA ground Paham Siem. Minister of Tourism Paul Lingdo attended the occasion as a chief guest. He unfurled the national tricolour and took the salute to the parade comprising contingents from the police and school students. The celebration was also attended by Nongpo MLA Meral Bons Aim and several senior officials from various government departments.
On the momentous occasion of the 76th Republic Day, as we celebrate Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas, I convey my warm greetings to all the citizens of the state. On this auspicious day, we honor the spirit of democracy and pay homage to our Constitution. We respectfully pay tribute to our leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We take this opportunity to salute the unwavering and sacrifices of our armed forces and the Meghalaya Police Force. Their vigilant efforts ensure our safety and security.
The West Jaintia Hills district celebrated the 76th Republic Day along with the rest of the nation. In July, the Minister for Civil Defence and Home Guards, Kamingwan Ombon, unfurled the national flag at Ri-Saleng Playground. During his address, the minister extended his heartfelt congratulations to the people on this momentous occasion. He paid tribute to the sacrifices made by India's freedom fighters and highlighted the successes of state-implemented schemes. A total of 15 contingents took part in the Republic Day parade and 12 schools.
Momentous occasion of the 76th Republic Day, as we celebrate Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas, I convey my warm greeting to all the citizens of the state on this auspicious day. We honor the spirit of democracy and pay homage to the Constitution. We respectfully pay tribute to our leaders.
The Southwest Garo Hills district celebrated the 76th Republic Day at the Students' Field in Ampati with great patriotic fervour. Dr. Maisel Amperine Lingdo, Minister of Health, served as the chief guest. Dr. Lingdo unfurled the national flag and delivered a speech highlighting the government's achievements across various sectors. She urged collective efforts towards building a progressive and inclusive nation. Later in the day, Dr. Lingdo visited the civil hospital in Ampati, where she interacted with patients. Along with the rest of the country, the 76th Republic Day was also celebrated in the Northeast Council's Secretariat, NIPCO and AG office in Shillong today. Somkamay advisor planning unfurled the national flag. Speaking on the occasion, Somkamay said that the mandate of the NEC aligns very well with the three colours of the national flag, which represents for power, purity and growth.
We stand below the unfurled national flag of India. So as we keep these colors and also what they represent, we have to also align with our work here. Our work is to bring on development with clean administration and with bold decision. So this time, this also reflects the goal of NEC and our ministry.
The Northeast Postal Circle Shillong unfurled the tricolour flag by KVLN Murthy, Director of Postal Services for the Northeast Postal Circle, along with Peter Ri-Bhoi, Director of Accounts Postal for the Northeast Postal Circle, was present at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Murthy reminded everyone to honor the sacrifices made by our forefathers. He emphasized that while we read about their struggles in books, we often forget the hardships they endured. The High Court of Meghalaya celebrated the 76th Republic Day today with Chief Justice I.P. Mukherjee unfurl the national flag. During his address, Chief Justice Mukherjee expressed his pride and privilege in being part of the state, particularly by appreciating the beauty of Meghalaya. The Raj Bhavan Shillong, in collaboration with the Shillong Agri-Horticulture Society and the Directorate of Horticulture, organized the first ever flower show in Raj Bhavan. The show was inaugurated by the Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar, who was impressed with the dedication and hard work of flower lovers who have groomed and preserved many of the flowers for decades. More than 300 exhibits were put up on display during the event by 30 members of the Shillong Agri-Horticulture Society. Speaking on the occasion, Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar said that the Raj Bhavan belongs to the people of Meghalaya and the doors of Raj Bhavan will be kept open for. He also informed that from now, the flower show will be an annual event in the Raj Bhavan.
This Raj Bhavan belongs to the entire state of Meghalaya. This Raj Bhavan belongs to the entire city of Shillong. You people have got every right to come here and visit here to enjoy the beauty of the Raj Bhavan. We thought to open the doors of Raj Bhavan. If at all anybody wishes to come and visit Raj Bhavan with proper reasons, not only these 2 days in a year, and rest of the other days also, we decided let anybody come, either to visit Raj Bhavan, to visit Governor of Meghalaya.
The 6th Meghalaya Games, a week-long sporting extravaganza, came to a thrilling conclusion on Saturday at the Kiang Nangba Football Stadium. The East Khasi Hills district emerged as the champions of champions after an impressive performance, securing a total of 381 medals. The closing ceremony was a grand affair attended by Deputy Chief Minister Singyao Bhalangdhar as the chief guest and local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla as the guest of honor. Also in attendance were Meghalaya State Olympic Association President, DSO and other dignitaries. Addressing the audience, he emphasized the significant progress made by the sports department under the MDA government, such as increased funding and infrastructure development.
Sport is the only event kabila manilong kumsipara. Wala na nagigele hakapor mo nielelo. Andre naladen ni ay kubleki boro alien. That is the spirit of sportsmanship here. We are not just having a Meghalaya Games. We are building the future of our youth in the future generation.
Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 14 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 74%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 5 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 18.1 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 65%. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature is 77 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 65%. And the forecast in Tura and Jowai says that dry weather is likely at most places, whereas for Shillong, shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And now, before we conclude, the main points once again. Nation celebrates 76th Republic Day today. President Murmu leads the nation, takes salute at Kartavya Path's parade. '76th Republic Day celebrates in Shillong. Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar unfurled the tricolour and took the salute. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma unfurled the national flag and took Rashtriya salute in Tura. And 6th Meghalaya Games closing ceremony was held at Kiangnangba Football Stadium in July. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, thank you for watching and good night.